If you're a saxophone player who wants to crush your fear of soloing, pay attention to this ad because it very well may change your life. Now listen, if you're a complete beginner to playing the saxophone, this ad isn't for you. It's just not the right time for you, sorry. How amazing would it feel to have the ability to take as many solos as you want in your band and play them with confidence without worrying if they sounded cool enough? To improvise your own ideas on the spot without wondering whether you can pull off a really awesome lick you memorized and not lose your place in the solo. Wouldn't it feel great to just be one of them? You know, be like one of those pro players that just strut up to the stage, tear the place apart, and make it look so easy? And not be afraid of what other people think? Hi, I'm Donna from Donna Schwartz Music. Over the past 35 years, I've taught thousands of musicians of all ages and abilities, both online and in person, and I've noticed huge gaps in people's understanding of how to improvise. Are you the type of person that puts the practice time in, but still can't create your own ideas on the spot? You spend 90% of your practice time playing with backing tracks, but still can't come up with anything cool, and you wonder why you can't create great solos on the spot. The mistake has to do with what you're doing and what you're not doing when you practice. From interviewing hundreds of the world's best improvisers for my Everything Saxophone podcast, I found that successful improvising saxophone players know what and how to practice so they can easily create their own ideas and play with total freedom on the stage. They don't just put on a backing track and doodle all day, hoping that divine inspiration is going to come to them, it's going to come out of the bell of their horn. The backing track is not going to help you to create your own ideas on the spot. What successful improvisers do is they follow a system that helps them dig deep into each song so that they can let their own voice come out through their solos. And they don't rely on forcing out other people's licks and tricks for their entire solo. Because when players just rely on stringing together other people's ideas and licks, it just doesn't sound authentic. They didn't create them, and it sounds like they're playing an exercise, or worse, like they've written out and memorized a solo and are desperately trying to remember it and pull it off live on stage, hoping to sound like it was created on the spot. Now, there's not enough time to explain everything in this video, but I do go into this in deeper detail in my free masterclass. The class is called How to Improvise with Confidence Without Relying on Licks and Tricks. So by the end of it, you'll be able to apply new strategies to your practicing so you can improvise your own solos on the spot in any style of music. So if you want to learn from someone who practices what they preach, click on the link now to get access to a free class that's honestly going to blow your mind. I put my very best into this training. I hold nothing back. Thousands have attended this training, and they've said it's really changed their approach to improvisation. You're going to see testimonials after you register. Okay, my saxophone playing friend, if you're looking to crush your fear of soloing so you can enjoy improvising with confidence over any style of music that you like, click the link, register for the free masterclass, and let's go on this journey together. I hope to see you in the masterclass.